Fix Roblox upgrade error. How to fix Roblox upgrade error. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that. Now, first of all, go and update the app. Go and open Play Store. Tap on search. Search for Roblox. Tap on it. Now after that, as you can see, if you don't see play and see the updates, tap on it and update the app. And after that, clear the cache of the app. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data, clear cache, and tap on OK. And after that, allow all the permission. Now to be able to do that, tap on app permission. And as you can see, transfer all the permission from here from not allowed to allow it. How to do that? Just tap on it, and camera, allow it. Tap on context, allow. Tap on files media and tap on allow. And tap on microphone and select allow. So as you can see, make sure to allow all the permission here. Now after that, reboot your device and try to log into your account. Now I open my Roblox and now log into your account. And as you can see guys, after following these steps, I solved the issue. So this is how to fix Roblox upgrade error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.